Welcome! Today I'm showing how to unblock phone number into a REALME GT 2 Pro. Firstly, open your phone application, this one. Then on the top right corner we got 3 dots. Tap it and choose settings. Here choose block numbers option. And now we got 2 block numbers, so for unlocking, for example, this last one, tap here on the right side to cross and confirm operation tapping unblock. Maybe one more time this number and tap here on the right side to cross and confirm operation tapping unblock one more time. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.